Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to check your WordPress errors log in hosting. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your WordPress website, click on dashboard. Now scroll down to advanced, click on it, and select PHP configuration. Jump to the PHP options tab. Now check this box next to log errors and hit save. Now to check your error logs file on Hostinger, just go to files, then file manager, and click on access all files of your web hosting plan. A new page opens up. Double click this .logs folder, and here you will find your WordPress error log file. To check it, just double click it and it will open up. Since my WordPress does not have errors yet, so nothing shows here. But before wrapping this video, let me show you an example of what an error log file may look like. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And this is what you should see. If you have difficulties reading this errors log file, just give it to ChatGPT and ask it to explain it for you. And this is how to, and before wrapping this video, let me show you another tip in order to, instead of writing your WordPress errors in this log file, to show it directly while visiting your website. Go now, instead of file manager, go back to the advanced and PHP configuration. Switch to PHP options and check this box next to display errors. This determines whether errors should be printed to the screen as part of the output, if they should not be shown to a user. I want to display them on the screen, which means while visiting your website. Don't forget to click on save. And now that this is successfully saved, let's visit your website as normal. And if an error, or if your WordPress website has errors, they will write them or show them for you directly. And this is an example of WordPress error displayed directly on your website. That was all for this tutorial. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.